Minna No Nihongo N4 Lesson 39 Part 3 Vocab. First, Sosa Operation of a machine. Kono ki kai o sosa suru no ga muzukashi. This machine is difficult to operate. Second, Kaijo Venue. Ibento no kaijo wa kimarimashita. The venue for the event has been decided. Third, Sekken Soap. Kono sekken wa hada ni yasashi desu. This soap is mild on the screen. Fourth, Ozei. A great number of people. Ioin Masuri no hi wa ozei no hito ga atsumarimasu. Lots of people gather on the day of Gyoin festival. Fifth, Tochude. On the way in the midst of. Kuruma ga tochude ugokanaku natta. The car broken down in the middle. Sixth, Butsu karimasu. To crash, to collide. Nidai no kuruma ga butsukatte jiko to natta. Two cars collided and got into an accident. 7. Otona, adult, grown up. Otona ni natta kara nani ni naritai desu ka? What do you want to become once you grow up? 8. Yofuku, western cloth. Atarashi yofuku o kaimashita. I bought new western clothes. Point 3. Tochude. Tochude means during, on the way to. It is the midset is used in the conjunctive with the dictionary form of a verb with noun no. Example first. Jitsu wa kuru tochude jiko ga atte basu ga okureta n desu. Actually, there was accident en route and the bus was late. Example 2. Marathon no tochude kibun ga waruku narimashita. I fell ill during the marathon.